Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's here with us. Popeye is not today because unfortunately dogs just can't come to this park. You know, I think it's because they do frisbee golfing here and they would just chase the frisbees. So that's probably why, I don't know. It's sad though. But he wouldn't be having a great time because listen, it's raining. When's the last time we came out and did a video for you guys in the rain? Well, Amelia's nice and cozy and dry and warm, but we are going to get wet and probably muddy with this truck.
The rain is picking up.
It's picking up. So it's been a while since we've been out playing in the mud, but I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to. We have a cool little four-wheel drive RC. Like a desert buggy, I think would be the classification of this.
Looks just like our old faithful 12428, except it's missing the front headlights, but it has the upper headlights.
Yeah, so
they look really good.
This is ready to run out of the box. If you're interested, we'll have a link in the description box below. It's fully proportional throttle, fully proportional steering, which is awesome. And this, unlike the 12428, has a little auxiliary button on the side. And listen, when I press the button, you hear that? I think that's a little servo in there, switching gears from high to low speed. There's something in there mechanically moving, switching from high to low speed. So this has two speeds. It's not like some RC vehicles we've seen that just basically has a speed limiting button. This is a big difference. So that's really cool. I do like that a lot. Couple things I want to show you. I didn't bring everything with me. I didn't bring the instructions because the weather is bad, but this is the included USB charge cable. It does take forever because that's only 5 volts, but it charges through the little balance lead, and we have a nice rechargeable battery in there. The thing is, there's not like a tray to hold it in. It's just pressure fit in there, which I thought was really weird. Basically, that means you cannot get a ton of other batteries in there unless you make like a modification to it or something. But it looks great.
The driver's on the right.
Yes, so you know, not an American. But I think it looks good. It feels sturdy and everything. The shocks feel good. They're all independent. They look good. There's a lot of movement here. When you get this, the wheel on the back is not installed. It comes with a long screw that holds that in place, although it's still kind of loose, even though I tightened that down as much as I could. But anyway, I do like this. I got no major complaints out of the box. It's right around $100 roughly. So again, if you're interested, we'll have it linked in the description box below. But let's drive it for you and let you know if it's worth your hard-earned money or not. We're gonna do our best to stay dry as possible today, but the truck, we can get as muddy as we want. So I'm definitely in the low speed right now, which is probably geared better for going through mucky, thick things like leaves like this and up hills. Unfortunately, we're not in a spot where there's a lot of hills. We were going to go back to our spot, which is look at the road. Follow the road all the way back, up that hill, and then farther back. But there's a gate at the bottom of the hill around the corner that you cannot see. And so we didn't want to walk back there with Amelia or even ourselves getting sick. So this is low speed. It's doing a really good job of just cruising around, but definitely not setting any speed records with this. Still, it is pretty cool for just kind of like slow bashing. I'm full throttle right now. So kind of crawling, maybe trailing if you were out. You can actually drive this nice and slow. It all feels really good. I do like this. So let's hit our auxiliary button on the side. We should be in our high gear now. So there's fast.
Doing
definitely
some peel outs.
Noticeably faster for sure. Enough that I can do slides, which is really cool. And let's hit that ramp. I brought the ramp with us. Oh, that was pretty good. Pretty good.
That was good.
I just mixed cool with good. Look at that. Look, Abby.
You're doing donuts for the first time ever.
Oh, this is driving really well. Donuts. I like how it does like the sliding on the gravel. It looks really good. This is what I would classify as just a nice all-around basher, which is kind of what we say the 12428 is. You want to take it on trailing hikes? Go for it. There we go. That's what's fun in the rain.
The headlights are reflecting on the wet surface.
They look good, don't they?
Yeah.
Nice LEDs. Yeah, I like this. This is a nice little setup. Hey, you know what? You guys remember our friendly white van? Well, guess who is back? And the same car that was with the white van is also there. Should we just have our hopes set up high and say they're carpooling and they're best friends that like to play in the cold, wet rain mud on the playground? I hope so. That's definitely our person though.
I bet you he'll circle around again and wait till we leave, because that's what he did the other day.
I wonder if he knows he's been featured on a YouTube channel because of his scary white van tactics. So I've definitely got my eye on him. I didn't get a friendly wave today, so.
He's mad because he's gonna have to wait.
Probably. Look,
oh, the world we live in.
Yeah. Well, Abby,
nice. That was like a front wheelie.
I think you might need to give this a shot as we wait for him to pass by. I'll pass the controls to you.
Okay.
There goes our
Ready?
Friend. That is definitely, without a doubt, the same big white van. So, kind of strange.
And the same guy.
Same guy too. Are you in high speed?
I'm.
Whatever I left it in.
Whatever you left it
Yeah,
in.
that's the high speed. I like this, don't you? Oh wow, you rolled it before me. What? Amelia's lucky. She's kind of just hanging out in the nice, warm, cozy box there. So I really like the position of the on-off switch on this. It is on the bottom of it. You are. Oh, I think it's my turn. It's my. Back to my turn.
Over. Hello in there. Hello. She's cozy warm. Yeah, all we need is our hill. Sucks that the weather is so bad today. We didn't expect it to be bad. It wasn't supposed to rain.
I'm very happy with this buggy though. This is performing really well. I suppose it could be a little bit faster, but overall, it's a nice little...
I love this style.
Me too. This is well-rounded. That's why I like it.
The only negative thing that I've seen is when we got this, it was about $20 cheaper than what it's listed at right now.
Prices do fluctuate.
It's kind of annoying. I like the headlights.
Me too.
Headlights make me happy. I feel like we have better sound effects now that we're parents.
Definitely, yep, upgraded sound effects. Someone out there, my friend Chad, he's probably gonna get that little clip and make like a meme out of it. Wouldn't be the first time, Chad.
Do them all at your next ramp. Every single.
All the noises?
Oh yes, all the noises.
I thought I did.
I think he's gonna watch.
Okay, that's all right. We like the good people that like to watch. Yeah.
That was just one sound effect. You have to do them all.
Oh, all at once.
Yes.
Okay. I gotta wind up. Is that good?
Yes.
I think after having 1,300 videos on YouTube, you just don't care anymore. You just don't care. Okay, good. Do the turkey. I dare you to do the turkey.
Have they ever heard my turkey?
No.
You hit the ramp.
I know I did. Oh, that's steep over there. Wow. I could just drive this all day. I'm a little cold. It is definitely raining out, but this is just fun. Oh, this is fun. Oh, this is fun.
I almost did it. Not quite. I was laughing.
Oh my gosh. We're weird, aren't we? Are we weird?
We are weird.
We're not right. There's something wrong with us. Well, I'm just happy. I'm just happy to be outside. It's not snowing even though it's raining. This is such a good hobby.
I feel like this is a commercial for our car today.
Yeah, has our CRV been in the shop the whole time? Yeah, it's
like parked perfectly for this video.
Not sponsored by Honda. Oh, I wish we were. Not sponsored by anybody. Oh! I can't believe you did it.
It's not even very good right now.
The turkey
I need to practice my turkey.
Around Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it gets really good.
Well, what do you guys think of this little buggy? I think that's what it's not really a buggy, it's like a desert buggy. I love the style, I love the 2 speeds. I think if we were like trailing or crawling, I would probably want it to be in low speed so I can just kind of like climb up some hills and go nice and slow and not have to worry about smashing into things hard and breaking parts or whatever. But it's holding up really well. I like this. This just might go on our shelf. I don't know if you guys will see this on the eBay store anytime soon because I like it.
We have a collection of these right now that I think we just want to see how many we can collect.
Maybe, yeah. I do like this a lot. My favorite thing is definitely the high-low speed because it's mechanically doing something in there, and the lights are pre-installed. Why don't all RC vehicles, no exceptions, all of them come with lights installed? I think they should. All of them. Ground vehicles, especially. Well, I was trying to wrap up the video, but I'm having too much fun with this thing, honestly.
My hands are numb, Nathan.
This is a good little RC. If you guys catch it at the right price, definitely snatch it up. We'll have a link in the description box below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. We're gonna go get warmed up. I think Amelia has probably got the...
It's always a heat box in there.
Oh my gosh, she's just happy as a clam in there.
It's like 80 degrees in there. I don't know how she does it.
Okay. Well, regardless, we're gonna wrap this up. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up for coming out in the rain to bring an RC video to you guys. We'll see you in the next video.